नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? सब ठीक हो, है ना? यस, सबको ही ठीक रहना चाहिए। अच्छा, इस छुट्टियों में आप लोग कहीं जा रहे हो? ये जो छुट्टी मिलेगी ना, समर वेकेशन, आर यू गोइंग टू इंडिया? Yes, I know most of you are not going there because it is safe to be at home only. If you are here, you will be safe, right? Yes. So you know that Hindi is our national language, right? So we should know Hindi. So for getting more knowledge in Hindi, what you have to do? Correct. You have to study or learn more Hindi. So every day if you are spend time at least 5 or 10 minutes in Hindi, so it will be very good for you. Hindi will be fluent for you. So every day you should practice Hindi at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? That much time you can give to Hindi. Am I correct? Yes, I know you are giving that. Because when I am taking in live session, all are saying very good. You can read very well. So I am very happy. That means you are reading. Every day you are reading. So very good. Very good. Okay. In the last two videos, we have discussed grammar and discussed about two different topics. What are they? Yes. What are they? They are ling, that is gender, and gender are of two types. One is pulling and the other one is striling, masculine, feminine. Okay. And in the next video, means in the last video, what you have seen after ling? You have seen vachan, right? Vachan means numbers. There are also two types. One is ekvachan, other one is bahuvachan. That is one, many or singular, plural. So today again we are going to discuss a topic from grammar only, and the page number is 40, and there you can see the topic is Vilom Shabd. Vilom Shabd means opposite words. In your book, in chapter 3, Asman Gira, you have done some opposite words matching. So today we will discuss some more words, okay? So today's video's objective is विलोम शब्दों को पहचानने में सक्षम होंगे. So you will understand the opposite words. You can find out, okay, this is the opposite of this. By doing matching, you can do it easily. And the second one is नए शब्द जानेंगे. Today you will learn some new words also. Okay? So let us start. So vilom shabd means opposite words. You have to tell me the opposite words. So I will start with very easy one. Everyone knows this. What is this? Chota. So opposite of chota, what sign we are giving? This sign. That means ulta, opposite, vilom. Chota, bada, small, big. Then who can read this? Very easy. Garam, garam. So opposite of garam means what? Hot, like hot tea. So opposite of hot is cold. So in Hindi it's called thanda. See, tha bindi da akar, thanda, cold. Number 3, this word may be new for you. This is khatta. See, ta, and this is called halant. That means half ta. So khatta. Khatta means sour. S-O-U-R, sour. So opposite of khatta is meetha, sweet, meetha. Okay. Like we can give example of when you have seen that mango. When it's green mango, it's sour in taste. So khatta. And when it ripes, it becomes meetha. So next word is kacha. Now only I said green mango, that raw mango. Raw means kacha, and the opposite of raw is ripe, that is pakka. In villages you have seen kacha kacha makan, pakka makan. Kacha means that a home made up of mud, okay, mud and straw. And pakka means the house is made up of brick, cement. So kacha, pakka. Okay. So now again I am giving you some very common words. So number 5. Who can read this? What is this? Badi upar. Upar. Upar means upside and downside means niche. So upar opposite is niche. Number 6. Mota means fat. Opposite of fat is thin. In Hindi it's called patla. Okay, like this there are so many words. So after this we are going to do matching exercise. I know everyone likes matching, right? So write in your rough copy. Match the following. So what I said in last video, matching means मिलान कीजिए. मिलान कीजिए. ओके. So यहाँ पर मैं कुछ वर्ड दूंगी and here answer will be there. So you have to match the correct answer. Here you will get some new words also. See, first one what I wrote, Ana. Ana means come. Okay. Then Hasna. Hasna means laughing, smile. And then come. Come means less. Then what is this? Andar. This word you got in second chapter. That the girl is putting every animals inside the cage. So andar, pinjre ke andar. So andar means inside. Then you can say garam. Okay. So here I am giving here the answers. So you have to match it. You can pause the video and do with me. See here, what is the first word I wrote? Zyada. Zyada means more. Then bahar. Bahar means outside. Then thanda. Thanda means cold. Then rona. Rona means crying. Then jana. Jana means go. So what is the opposite of ana? Come, go. Ana, jana. Then hasna, laughing. And rona means crying, right? So hasna, rona. Come. Come means less. The opposite of less is more. So come, zada. Now andar. I said what is the meaning of andar? Inside. And what is the meaning of outside? Bahar. Then here you can see garam. Garam means hot. So opposite of garam, thanda. Like garam chai, thanda ice cream. है ना? So these are few examples of Vilomsha. Okay? So do this in your rough copy and in the book itself you got there more words of विलोम शब्द, है ना. तो आज के वीडियो का हमारा लर्निंग आउटकम क्या है? लर्निंग आउटकम को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सीखने का प्रतिफल. यस, नाउ एवरीवन नोज दैट. सीखने का प्रतिफल. आज हमने क्या सीखा? आज हमने विलोम शब्द पहचाने. नाउ वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज द ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. सो विलोम शब्द, और वी कैन से विलोम शब्दों को पहचानने में सक्षम हुए. सक्षम मीन्स नाउ यू आर एबल. पहचानने में सक्षम हुए एंड नए शब्द जाने. राइट. आज आप लोगों ने कुछ नए शब्द भी जाने और एज यूजुअल क्या हुआ? वोकैबुलरी इंक्रीज हुई. सो शब्द भंडार में वृद्धि हुई. So in this video up to here only. So after this week what will going to happen? Yes, all are shouting that you will get summer holidays, right? Summer vacation. So enjoy your vacation and be neat and clean. Keep yourself clean and your surrounding clean. Study as well. You will get homework also. So you have to do that. So enjoy your holidays. Okay then. Bye. Stay home. What? Stay safe. Okay. Bye.